Hi everyone. Today I have actually brought a very interesting topic for you guys. It is just regarding how to select a journey after metric. Mostly our students are actually confused where to go. I have an answer for you guys, and that is in three, you can say, major options. First of all, you should know that how much personal interest you have in a subject. The second is your personal capability. Obviously, if you have interest in mathematics but your personal ability or capability is not that much, that you can go ahead and do specialization in that subject. So what you will do is that you will think of capability as well, how capable enough you are in this subject in order to go ahead and specialize that subject. And last but not the least, obviously this is also interlinked, financial support. So how much your family can support you in doing specialization in this subject. Whether if you're going towards science, obviously the admissions, the fee structure and everything is totally different than the arts. So you have to think of this as well. So these are three major options which you have to keep in mind so that you can select a journey after metric or FSC. So first of all is your personal interest, your personal capability or your inner ability in that subject, whatever the subject is, and final, financial support. If your family can support you, then go towards that subject or that specialization. Otherwise, not. Do not waste your time. Okay? That's all. That was just my opinion. So you guys can just think of it and stay tuned. You guys will have a new video then. You guys have a good day.